Today we are tackling a topic that affects millions across the globe, type 2 diabetes. Now we all know about the usual suspects: diet, exercise, genetics, but what if I told you there were some hidden gems, some unexpected ways to slash your risk right now? The first one is sleep for success. Think sleep is just for catching. Think again. Studies from the National Institutes of Health show short sleep disrupts our hormones, making us crave sugary treats and store more fat. Aim for 7 to 8 quality hours each night. Your pancreas will thank you. Spice up your life. Turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, these aren't just your grandma's pantry staples. They are anti-inflammatory powerhouses. The American Diabetes Association suggests adding them to your meals for improved insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. Get creative, spice it up, and spice out your risk. 3. Mind your gut. Did you know your gut bacteria can influence your blood sugar? That's right. Studies in Nature Medicine suggest probiotics found in yogurt, kimchi, and kombucha can improve insulin sensitivity and overall gut health. So feed those friendly microbes and give your diabetes risk the boot. 4. Stressless. Live more. Chronic stress is a blood sugar nightmare. It releases cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage and insulin resistance. But don't fret. Activities like yoga, meditation, and spending time in nature can significantly reduce stress. Find your zen, chill your cortisol, and chill your diabetes risk. 5. Get a hobby. This is serious. Having a fun hobby, whether it is dancing, gardening, or singing karaoke, isn't just good for your soul, it is good for your blood sugar too. Engaging in activities you enjoy reduces stress, promotes movement, and boosts overall well-being. So grab your paintbrush, your dancing shoes, or your karaoke mic and sing your way to a lower diabetes risk. So there you have it. 5 unexpected ways to slash your type 2 diabetes risk, starting right now. Remember, small changes add up to big results. Take control, have fun, and keep those blood sugars singing. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who wants to live a healthier, happier life. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered, and stay healthy. Thank you very much.